So redirecting a user when he clicks on notification. So here's my application. Watching Community as well. It's a good show. Everyone should watch it. Send the message. When received, when I click on it, it redirects me to the second page, and I can click on and go back. And also when when the application is in background, I send the message, we receive it, click on it, it just not only start it but also redirect me to the second page. And the third one is when I just completely close the application and then send a message, and you receive the message while in the background. We the application opens up. It takes some time, and then we're on the second page, and then we can go back. So here's the code. So for some reason it was not working, so I was creating actually another application, but in that one it was not working. I did it in that, and then I just, for practice purposes, I did it on a simple application. I didn't change much of the things, just created a new page, a second page, added title and sent a text to it to just test whether I'm able to open a specific page. And then so it was not working because the initial routes initially I was doing something like this to open a page on my application, but I have to remove that. I'm using now the initial routes and ungenerated routes. And so on message listener, so this is the code that will receive the application on the foreground, in the foreground. And here, so when the application is opened, we listen to the messages. We listen to if the message is clicked. So if the application is open and someone clicked the notification, it just navigate to the second screen for background. So when we are loading the application, and before we load the application, we are checking. So if there is a notification app launch detail payload, so this is actually for when we are receiving application in the background mode. And I'm just saying the same thing, like go to the second screen, and when we are in the completely background. So what I'm saying is, like, we don't directly because application is not yet open, so we have to set the screen directly to the second one. Initially it will load the first screen, but then it will check this condition, and when it's changed, it will yeah, so we'll redirect this to the second page. So this is working. This is great. Yeah, one more time, let's check it. I think this was in all the applications. Yeah, so this was never done in any tutorial. It was just posting it on YouTube. Maybe that it will help somebody.